I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California. And today I am opening up a Mickey Loot box that I won from Just Ginger's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I want to say once again, congratulations, Just Ginger. That is amazing. 1,000 subscribers, way to go. I won this actually back in May, and we were at Disney when I won, which was really exciting. And then we came home and we kind of left really quick on another trip, and then I came home sick. So it's been a moment since I've been able to open this, but I'm so excited. I know nothing about Mickey Loot or anything, so I'm really like thrilled to have this little giveaway win, this little prize. Okay, so the first thing when I open the box, it's from Mickey's Loot, if you could see. It says, Kim, congratulations on receiving this box from Just Ginger's giveaway. Hope you love what we picked for you, Mickey Loot. Oh, that's awesome. So this is my little spoiler sheet. We'll put that away. They have some really pretty paper, Mickey's Loot. Like I said, I haven't tried them out, so I'm excited to see what's in one of their boxes. Oh, foozles. Who doesn't love a good foozle? I'll take Ginger's. She used to like throw this around all the time, so I'm taking cue from Ginger.
Please don't.
Trying to get through the foozles. Okay. Wow. Okay, so what you do have to do, Just Ginger. Woo! Because I can't get to what's in the box under all the foozles. It's a foozle party.
Yeah, you're cleaning that up.
Brad's over here like, oh my gosh. Like, is there smaller stuff? Because there's something really big here, and I want to save big for last. Oh, I like how it all came all wrapped, so I can't tell what it is.
10 hours later.
No. I'm like trying to be dainty and like not dainty at the same time, and it's just not working. It's just, this feels like a pen if I had to guess. Oh my gosh, they really don't want you to see this before you open it. They pack it really well. Woo. Oh, it's a pin I was right. It's the 3 Caballeros Magic Stars limited edition.
Hey, how does she know my favorite ride?
I know, that is Brad's favorite ride. He loves the Donald Duck. But he's not a pin collector, but I love it. So you got the 3 Caballeros, and then it kind of spins. It's got like a emerald type colored jewel in it. I can't see because, like I said, I scratched my eyes. Oh, it looks like a bowl. Yeah, it's a bowl. Interesting. But that's really cute.
Oh, it's a birthstone.
Oh, it's a birthstone?
Yeah, it looks like it's a birthstone.
Okay.
And the zodiac sign.
Oh, Brad might be right. Yes, it is. Okay. It has a... Oh, okay, so 3 Caballeros are actually looking at stars. That is really awesome. I love this pin. Thank you. Next little package. The thing is, you'll never see what's inside. They pack so well. But you know what? That's great for shipping because it doesn't get damaged. Okay. This is perfect. It's a Haunted Mansion like little notepad. And it says, home is where the haunt is. Oh, I love that. I love Haunted Mansion. Wow. This is incredible. Okay. I think, yeah, that's it. In the bottom, besides this big, huge, fragile looking, it's all wrapped nice. Everything's wrapped so well here. Wow. It's like double wrapped. That's, oh, it's a mug, I think. I can never get enough Disney mugs. I actually collect mugs. Ah! It's a Twilight Zone's Tower of Terror mug. I love this. Oh my gosh.
Does it glow in the dark?
Does it glow in the dark? I don't know. It looks like it might. You might be right. I don't know.
We'll have to test it later.
We'll test it later? Okay. This is so cute with Mickey. Tower of Terror is one of our favorite rides at Hollywood Studios, so this is perfect for us. Love this. Oh my gosh, Ginger, like, I think you knew all of our favorite rides in Mickey's Loot, which I don't know how you did that because it's pretty impossible to know, like, some of our favorite rides. But you guys nailed this. This is awesome. So this was an A ticket box. I don't know what that is. I'll put it in the I'll put it right below what the A box is. The Disney Parks Twilight Zone Tower Tear Mickey Glow in the Dark mug. So it does glow in the dark. Was $19.99. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love it, love it. Disney's Parks Magic in the Stars 3 Caballeros trading pin was also $19.99. So I took it off the little thing so it's been. The Disney Parks Home is Where the Haunt Is notepad was $9.99 for a total of $49.97. This is so cool. This is like the perfect box and I'm so excited. Thank you, Just Ginger. Thank you, Mickey Lou. This is amazing. We're so excited for you, Ginger. Way to go. We are so happy for you and can't wait to hear till you hit the next 1,000 subscribers. So with that, I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.